Hello students, welcome back. In previous video, I have discussed about the functions of integer wrapper class. Okay. In this video, I am going to discuss about the functions of character wrapper class. And the functions of character wrapper class will be useful in string programming. And this is in your syllabus of class 10 ICC board students. So please prepare this and watch this video till end, and if any confusion you have regarding any function of character wrapper class, you can ask through comment sections. So please watch this video carefully till end. So without wasting time, let's discuss the functions of character wrapper class. Okay. So you can see on the screen the first function I have written. The name of the function is letter. Okay. This function checks the given character is an alphabet or not. Checks whether the given character is an alphabet or not. Means what? See, for example, you know static function. Again, I'm reminding you, all the functions of wrapper classes are static function. And what is the property of static functions? They can be called without object. Static functions are called without object. You can call the static functions by class name. Since these are the functions of character wrapper class, so we are calling this function is letter by the class name. What is that? Character. Okay. So this function will return either true or false. You can see the return type of this function is Boolean. So it returns either true or false. So if the character given as argument here, if the character given as argument is an alphabet, then it returns what? True. Otherwise, it returns false. So in this case, the result of this will be what? True, since the character given as alphabet, given as argument is an alphabet. Instead of a, consider if I am entering 5. So in this case, you will get false. Alphabet के अलावा कुछ होगा तो इसका result false आएगा. Okay. Now another function like that is digit. As the name is explaining everything. It returns true if the character given as argument is a digit. Otherwise, it returns false. Okay. So here is digit 5. 5, this is a digit. So this function will return true. The result of this will be what? True. Okay. And if the given character is not a digit, it returns false. Otherwise, it returns false. So this is for is digit. Now the next function is letter or digit. Just take care the name of the functions. Here the first L is capital letter, O is also in uppercase, D is also in uppercase. So this is the name of the function, and without a space, you know, functions in function name, class name, variable name, space is not allowed. So be careful. Just please try to learn the proper function name. Okay. So here L is capital, O is capital, D is capital. The function is letter or digit. The name of the function is explaining itself what is the use of this. Okay. So it returns true if the character given as argument is an alphabet or a digit. Means अगर जो अल्फाबेट हम जो यहाँ पे आर्गुमेंट दे रहे हैं, अगर वो अल्फाबेट होगा या डिजिट होगा, दोनों केस में इसका रिजल्ट ट्रू आएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल सी character dot is letter or digit 5. Here for this, since it is a digit, so you will get true. Here also for second example also you will get the same result, true, because the argument is an alphabet. So in both the cases, whether it is a digit or an alphabet, in both the cases you'll have this function will return true. Okay, is letter or digit. So next function is white space. Okay, so this function returns true if the character given as argument is a white space. White space का मतलब space हो या /t हो. /t से क्या होता है? टैब प्रिंट होता है. तो such character /n पे भी return करेगा true. So if the character given as argument is a white spaces means space tab /n for the new line character. So it returns true for that white spaces. For example, character dot is white space. Here I have given one space. So in this case, you will have the result true. Like that, character dot is white space. Here also white space. Character dot is white space. Okay. So /t. This is also a white space. So for this also you'll get true. Okay. /t is used for tab. This is skip sequence character, and this is also considered as white space. So it returns whether it is a space or it is a tab or it is a /n new line character. For all that, it returns true. Otherwise, if any other characters there, means if alphabets are there, digits are there, it returns false. Okay. So is white space. Only W is in uppercase, rest are in lowercase. So it is about white space. So now the next function is lowercase. As the name is saying, is uppercase. As the name is saying, it returns true if the character given as argument is an uppercase alphabet. See here, here capital A. It's an uppercase alphabet. So for this, you will have the result true. And if it is other than uppercase alphabet, if it is anything, if it is digit, it is lowercase alphabet, it is symbol, white space, anything, it returns false. Only for the uppercase alphabets, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. So this is about is uppercase. Like that, we have another function is lowercase. Okay. So the same process, it returns true if the character given as argument is a lowercase alphabet, otherwise false. Consider here we are writing small a. I have not written anything here. I am writing here small a. So small a is a lowercase alphabet. So this function will return true for this. Other than lowercase alphabet, if anything else is there, it will return false. So here we'll have true, since the character given as argument is a lowercase alphabet. Okay. So these are the functions of character applet class. Now two more functions I'm going to discuss. It is two uppercase and two lowercase. Okay. Now see the return type of these functions, these two functions, two lowercase and two uppercase. Here char. What this function does, it converts the character given as argument in argument to lowercase. मतलब ये किसी जो अगर कोई character है, अगर वो alphabet है, तो उसको वो lower case में convert कर देगा. For example, C. Consider the value of C is capital A. The value of C is what? Capital A. So character dot to lowercase. Functions के name और कैसे call कर रहे हैं इस पे ध्यान देना. It's very important. Generally function names तुम लोग याद रह जाते हैं, लेकिन कैसे call करते हैं ये confusion होती है. So please check all that. Okay. So here character dot to lowercase c. So this c, the value of c is what? Capital A will be converted into lowercase. So the value of c will be what? Small a. It will be converted. And if this character is other than alphabet, no change will take place. Consider this is what? Instead of capital A, if I have written already I have written small a, then there will be no change. It is already in uppercase. Sorry, it is already in lowercase. So no change will be done. Okay. Consider it is 5. In that case also no change will be done. The character will remain as it is. Only when it is in uppercase alphabet, it will be converted to lowercase alphabet. This is for the two lowercase. Like that. So if it is required in string programming, if it is required to convert a character to lowercase or in uppercase, these functions can be used. See, and see how I am calling and how I am changing that C to uppercase and how I am changing the C to lowercase. The way of calling the function is important. Function name इतना easy है कि याद रहता है. कैसे कॉल करते हैं, कैसे यूज करते हैं, वो भूल जाते हो तुम. यहाँ पे दोनों लिखने लगते हो C.2 लोअर केस, दैट इज रॉन्ग। ओके, C.2 लोअर केस नहीं लिखा जाता, character.2 लोअर केस, एंड जिसको कन्वर्ट करना है उसको, जितने भी रैपर क्लास के फंक्शंस हैं उनको हम क्लास नेम से कॉल कर रहे हैं। क्लास का नाम क्या है? कैरेक्टर, यहाँ पे तो कैरेक्टर डॉट। पिछले वीडियो में इंटीजर रैपर क्लास के फंक्शंस डिस्कस किए थे, इंटीजर डॉट। ओके, सो प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट. So here two uppercase function, same thing, it converts a character given as argument to uppercase. Here you will write uppercase. Uppercase. Okay. So if it is in lowercase, the value of C is what? Small e. So after this function, after using this function, this will be what? Capital E. कन्वर्ट करके C को कन्वर्ट करके अपर केस में और C में ही स्टोर कर दे रहे हैं, तो C की वैल्यू चेंज हो जा रही है, C की वैल्यू स्मॉल ई से कैपिटल ई हो जाएगी. ओके, so this is all about the functions of character wrapper class. Please remember this, and if any confusion you can ask through comment section. So and these functions are very important as the for the string programming and examination point of view से भी ये functions both important. So please watch this video again and again. Thank you for this video, this much only. Thank you students. Bye to all.